Hello everyone, welcome to Sujitra's online reading channel. In today's article, I am going to illustrate the importance of sleep. As we say, a good laugh and a good sleep are the two best cures for anything. For me, my nap time is a happy hour. I strongly believe that sleep is the best meditation and would in fact say when nothing goes right, better go to sleep. A good night's sleep is important to our physical and emotional well-being. That's why the benefits of good sleep should at no time be underrated, and getting a proper rest on a regular basis isn't just a good idea, it's vital. If your body doesn't get adequate sleep, it can react by producing an elevated level of stress hormones, which are a usual result of today's fast-paced lifestyles. Deep and regular sleep can help prevent this. Have you ever noticed that when you are really tired, it's harder to remember things? Basically, this is your brain telling you that it's not getting enough sleep. When you sleep well, your body may be resting, but your brain is busy organizing and storing memories. So, getting more quality sleep will help you remember and process things better. Sleep can actually lower your blood pressure. Higher blood pressure increases your chances of heart attacks and strokes, but getting plentiful of restful sleep boosts a constant state of relaxation that can help reduce blood pressure and keep it under control. A fight back mechanism is very essential for our body, isn't it? While you are sleeping, your body is producing extra protein molecules that can strengthen your ability to fight infections. If you're feeling a bit run down and don't want it to turn into a full-blown cold, better go to bed early and get lots of rest. You'll be all right. Sleep can help you maintain your weight by regulating the hormones that affect your appetite and reducing your cravings for high calorie foods. Some research studies have shown that not getting enough sleep may lead to type 2 diabetes by affecting how your body processes glucose. It's not conclusive by any means, but it's yet another indication of how important the benefits of sleep can be. A good sleep pattern can also help keep your heart healthy. It can help to lower the blood levels, stress levels, inflammation to your cardiovascular system, which in turn can reduce your chances of a heart condition. Along with a great night's sleep, grabbing a quick nap in the daytime can contribute towards making your brain more effective and productive. You may well feel sharper, more attentive, and focused throughout the day. If you have ever thought that sleep doesn't really matter all that much, think again, because it actually matters a great deal. That's for today. Hope you found it all useful. Let's take a powerful nap whenever required. Thanks for listening. This is Sujitra. Do like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you. Bye-bye.